Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. Very excited, very proud to have Harshid with me. Very first attempt, a perfect 90 in his PTE exam. Congratulations, Harshid, very well done.
Thank you.
Harshid, very first day you were here in the lab, I know that this guy has got something. He's hungry for the result. You were asking all your doubts, you were taking a lot of mock tests, you were trying to do each and everything. Harshid, very first attempt, what do you think is important to crack this exam?
So firstly, I think a big thanks to the Almighty, He has always given me what I've asked for, and I think it's important to be patient and just keep practicing every day whatever your tutor says. I think that's very important.
So basically, following what you have been advised.
Yeah, exactly.
It's very important you follow, because whatever the tutors advise you, they know what you actually need to practice. Because we think sometimes that why I'm not practicing MCQs, why I'm not practicing this and that.
I was asking about that.
Yes, I remember, because it's common to ask, it's common to have doubts, but you need to clear all your doubts and focus on things which are important. You have taken a number of mock tests. I don't know how many mock tests.
It's 50 plus.
50 plus mock tests. And that's the secret. That's the secret to a perfect 90, right? Perfect 90 means you have almost done everything perfectly. What do you think? How important are mock tests?
I think it gives you the right atmosphere, first of all. I mean, our mock test, the way it is designed, the room, I think it has the right atmosphere. Everyone is speaking and you are getting disturbed, and still you have to perform. So that's the sort of pressure you take, and I think it's beautiful.
So being under pressure is something which helps.
Yeah, actually, I used to practice around 9:30 in the morning when there was no one. So I was doing good. But as soon as I attempted a mock test, everyone was speaking so loudly, I was brutally disturbed. So it's good to just practice in mock tests.
But whenever you practice, it's very important you give yourself hard time, because if you are having hard time over here in the exam, you'll perform way better.
Obviously, I mean, everyone has good days and bad days.
Correct.
We have to perform.
Yes,
that's where the intensity of practice comes into play.
That's 100% correct. You need to make sure you give yourself hard time. Practice in such an environment where you feel that you're being disturbed, as you will have people speaking in the PT exam room as well.
I think it's important to take the task from your tutor. If he says do 30 minutes, do 35, but not less than that. That's very important.
That's what is consistency. He was regular in the lab and he used to follow whatever he was instructed to do. Harshid, very last thing, you have got a band 9 in reading as well. What do you think is important for reading?
I think, first of all, a big thanks to 𝗵𝗏 ma'am. She is a genius in reading. So I think when I started initially, I was terrible. So I asked 𝗵𝗏 ma'am, and she was like, just watch the videos and finish the portal and you'll be alright.
Correct.
And I did that. That's it.
That's 100% correct. Practice as many questions as you can. Make sure you attend 𝗵𝗏's reading class. Very important. Very important. Take as many mock tests and be like this guy. Every day he used to be at 9:30. Continuous practice. Every day he has shown up. 50 plus mock test and very first attempt, a perfect 90. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
All the very best for your NAATI. That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing.
Just wanted to thank my roommate 𝗙𝗏𝗵 as well. He has helped me a lot as well.
Thank you, Kishan. You all need friends like him. That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing, if he has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. A perfect 90 is not difficult if you follow the right strategies, right feedback and right guidelines. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.
Thank you.